You are most welcome back to my channel. Hello, you are welcome to another video. In our lesson today, we are coming to learn how to make something like this. This is a soap dish, and I made it again with my leftover beads. I use these beads. These beads, they are different from the normal square beads. I don't know if you can see this one. The curve or the sides, they are very pronounced. I don't know if you can see it. They are different from these two. This green and the yellow, they are different from them. I used it about 2 years ago for a customer, and the ones left, I have decided to come out with this project after one of you, Penina the Grace, asked me if I can use the beads for a soap dish as well. So this is what I have made. About 2 years ago, I again made this one. This I have in my kitchen. What I love so much about this one is I don't have to be worried that my soap is going to melt. Once I put the soap here and the sponge, the water naturally drains away. So I like it very much. This one, as you can see, the same old story. Leftover beads. I don't want to talk too much, and so let's go into the video to see how I made this. When you are able to make this, you can easily make the bigger one. So let's dive into the lesson now. I have 9. I want to make it 10, and so with my right, I would add 3 beads. When you are making a 10, you add 3 beads with one of the fishing lines. So I have added with the right. Before we were going straight, but now we've made a 10. We've turned to the right. We want to go straight again. If we continue like this, we will form an L shape. We don't want that. We want to build the body of the soap dish, and so we will be going this way. So with the right again, I will pick 3 beads. Making the curve or the 10 is very tricky, so please pay attention to this part very well. And then with the left, I will enter the next bead, which is this one, and then add 2 beads. I'll enter the next bead and also add, and when I come back we will be making another 10. So at this point the left will enter the last bead, which is this one, and then I would turn it for the left to now be my right. So with that I would add 2 beads. Then with the right I would pick 3 beads. So I would continue with entering and then adding 2. By the time I come back we would be building the sides, the body of the soap dish. That is what we will be doing. And so let me finish this last one with you and then meet you at the other side of the project. See, the thread got finished, so I am adding more to it. The base is 10 by 7. I made it so because some of the soaps are big. These are the beads left, so I might blend it with some of this and the yellow. So we are now coming to build on top of the base. I will pick 3 beads. 3 beads. Then the left enters the next bead and we will add 2 beads. Don't worry that it is flat. When I get to the curve, it will fold up. I'll enter the next bead and add. So what I would now do is to just fold it like this, and then I will enter the next bead here and add 2 beads and continue entering, adding 2, entering, adding 2, entering. You see how easy it is. And so I am done with the first level. I will build a second face because some of the soaps are big. The cord is very short. I can't work with it. So I am going to bead through. I will bead through anyhow, but not straight. I will go zigzag. So from here I enter this bead, then to the green, to the yellow, to this green, and to this one. So that is how I basically end my work. I am adding 3 beads. So I'm adding the third one to it. So the next one is going to be green and yellow. I am almost done with this half, so I want to show you how I will end it so that I can go and complete the other half. And this is the end of our lesson today. God richly bless you for staying through to this time. I know when you get the materials, you can easily make yours. And I would love to see them. Those who are saying it will take you 1 year, 1 month, 2 weeks, even if it takes you 10 years. All that I know and I want to see is your finished work, and I'll be so pleased to see all of them. To Abena and Dorcas, I have seen what you have started. Please don't let the fire die off. Rekindle it, and in due time I will show your works on my channel. I will seek your permission and then project what you have also been able to do onto the world. Until you see another video from me, stay safe, stay healthy, eat well, sleep well, and love the Lord, which is the most important thing. Love the Lord. Until I come again, God richly bless you. Bye bye.